know a lot of people are wearing these right now, but I'll keep mine in ice, just like the outsole. Golly. What's good, everyone? Welcome back, and today we are in episode 7 of Hype Unboxings, and today we have a very personal pair. Shout out Mr. Bugbog. He copped on sneakers and was like, hey yo, let me be the hookup. I was like, alright, best, say less. So yeah, these are definitely one of my grail shoes that I've been wanting ever since I got my first pair of OG Jordans, or retro Jordans, which were the Columbia Blues back in 2016. And ever since I've been looking at 11s, and these were definitely ones that I've always been waiting for the re-release year, but we would always get scammed until now. So, as many of y'all know, these are the cool gray Jordan 11s. And box is very simplistic, not like the old Jordan 11 boxes that had the like plastic part, such as the Alma Manier ones. But definitely something that I would appreciate. And obviously, as y'all know, I don't do it for the box, I do it for the heat. So here's the tag, size 11, 10.5. I could fit anywhere from a 10 to a 12. So if y'all got shoes, shout out. Yeah, just put it in the comments, and I'll see if I'll trade with you on a trade block or whichever way. But these are fire, and let's get right into it. Ooh, showing a little bit. It's ready. But here we just have a regular black wrapper. Nothing special about it. Just so that it conceals it, I guess. But once we get into the shoes, this is what I love. And this is what I have always wanted. These are definitely up there in terms of grills in relation to just Jordan 11s and Jordans in general. And yeah, I know a lot of people are wearing these right now, but I'll keep mine in ice, just like the outsole. Golly. And pop it out sometime, maybe like at my wedding or things, but that's years down in the future, once the bottom crumbles and everything. That'd be crazy though. But getting into the shoe, as we could see, the cool gray patent leather goes around. If I remember correctly, and from what I read, these do go back to the OG Jordan 11 cut with the widow's peak. I think that's what a lot of people had problems in the community with these, because people didn't know the widow's peak because they would use it for like authenticity checking and things until now. So the quality control was very interesting, but mine, I can't complain. And comes with the OG Jordan logo right here. Watch out if he has 6 fingers, it's fake. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, got the 23 in the back. We have the cool gray tongue, which, as you could see, this leather is amazing. Like, it's like very buttery and very like responsive. And then we have the insole, which just has regular white laces and just the fabric that's regular right here. But I definitely feel like if you're a big guy, get you some 11s. Definitely a piece that you need in your collection, at least for my taste. But then we have the outsoles with the Jordan logo right here, and the checkered taxi colorway right here, if I get it right. But yeah, I feel like these shoes are definitely ones up there in the list. And if you need some good beaters, some good 11 recommendations, these are definitely up there in my list. Between these, the original Concord, Space Jams, and the Columbias, I feel like these are definitely up there. I really don't like the breads like that. Yeah, honest opinion, you might hate me, but I feel like these are definitely more versatile and pop out more for individuals than the breads, which is what I look for in terms of 11s. But yeah, I mean, other than that, these are an amazing pair, and I can't say nothing about it. It's just a pair that I've always been wanting, and I finally got them. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.